Until today, my wedding wasn't in my dreams. What I have dreamt about my entire life is finding love. Finding someone who would choose me as I choose him. Adriano, your love is all I ever dreamt of, and it's all I'll ever need. Every day you love me, I'm at peace. You make me feel important, heard. You make me feel strong, safe. Every day I feel cherished and blessed to be loved by you. I love you more than I did yesterday, and less than I will tomorrow. Je t'aime.
You do something new to me. Red like blood, it runs through me. You do something new to me, and I don't wanna go. Play me one more song.
I remember when Kalinka and Adriano first saw each other in Toronto. Kalinka really liked him. So much that she told me she was hoping he would miss his flight the next day. And guess what? He did. The following day, they went on their first date, and the rest is history.
I'm seeing blue skies, sunrise, sun in your eyes. I'm not wasting more time. Guess I'm the reason. Seasons, you're the rolling in my heartbeat out of time.
Kalinka's always been someone that knows what she wants, so I wasn't surprised when very quickly she knew Adriano was the one she wanted to build a life with. And I got it right away. I saw how happy Adriano made Kalinka and just how happy they made each other.
Oh my God. You look amazing.
Adriano, I truly think you're the perfect match for my best friend. You treat her like a princess, but you're not afraid to go toe-to-toe with her. And you love her for exactly who she is. It's hard to imagine a time when you weren't Kalinka and Adriano.
You do something new to me. Red like blood, it runs through me.
Today, I'm choosing to marry you, my best friend. Kalinka, I promise to always love you more than yesterday and less than tomorrow. I can now call you my wife in front of the whole world. Let's bottle up this feeling and take a sip of it every morning. Ti amo tantissimo.
It is with the greatest of pleasure that I say Adriano and Kalinka are now husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
Take a deepest blue. Traded in for new. I got all these feelings when I look at you. I'm seeing blue skies, sunrise, sun in your eyes. I'm not wasting more time. Guess I'm the reason. Seasons, you're the rolling in my heartbeat out of time. You do something new to me, and I don't wanna go. Play me one more song.
Kalinka, you have made the last 5 years the most incredible years of my life. We've been blessed with the most loving relationship I could ever dream of. Kalinka, I choose you every day till the day I die. My love, will you dance with me?
You do something new to me. You do something new to me.
This has been the best day of my life. On August 1st, 2020, I got down on one knee and told Kalinka I wanted to spend the rest of my life with her. Kalinka, you're my best friend, and I'm so happy I can now proudly call you my wife.